Hello, in this jQuery video I am going to show you how to select an element based on its class. So this little selector is based on ID, but maybe we want to add a class. So if we add a class, I'll call it epic class, and I'll add one to this as well. And what I'm going to do is just copy this and get rid of this. So in here we'll just say epic class is clicked. So to select a class, it's really simple. You put dot, which indicates the selector is now a class, and you put the name of it, which is, I believe it's epic class. Save that, reload, and if I click hello world, epic class is clicked. Click the second one. It triggers both events because it has an ID of HW, and there's a click selector on an ID of HW, and it also has a class of epic class, and there's also a selector for clicking an element with the epic class. But if I click second div, nothing happens because it does not have a class or anything that is checking for it being clicked. So if you want to select an element based on its class, which allows you to select essentially a bunch of elements, they don't have to be the same type, they don't have to be all divs or all spans or all images, for example, but you can select multiple ones based on a certain event. You can do it using the class selector, and it's as simple as that. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.